Welcome back to MVP Auto Pro, your go-to source for all things motorcycles. From cutting-edge sport bikes to globe-trotting adventure machines. Today, we bring you an in-depth look at one of the most anticipated releases in the adventure touring segment, the 2025 BMW R1300 GS Adventure. Known for setting the gold standard in long-distance touring, off-road capability, and technological innovation, the GS ADV family has just leveled up. With the 2025 model, BMW Motorrad has reimagined what it means to ride across continents, with more power, less weight, and smarter technology than ever before. A new chapter begins, the evolution of a legend. The BMW GS Adventure series has long been the benchmark for riders who seek both extreme endurance and ultimate comfort. The 2025 R1300 GS Adventure builds on the success of the previous 1250 series. But this is more than just an update, it's a complete redesign from the ground up. BMW has focused on lighter weight, more responsive power delivery, and integrated digital systems, making this the most capable GS ever created. The ADV version is specifically tailored for long-range explorers who crave dirt roads, mountain passes, river crossings, and everything in between. Bigger fuel tank, reinforced components, extended range, and an aggressive stance. This is the bike you take when the ride never ends. Design: bold, purposeful, and totally GS. The 2025 R1300 GS Adventure looks every bit the rugged world traveler. The design reflects both function and form, with every component sculpted to withstand real-world abuse while projecting a strong, unmistakable GS presence. The front features the all-new X-shaped LED headlight, a striking visual signature that also enhances night visibility. The tank is larger and more muscular, flanked by protective crash bars and rugged bodywork that blends seamlessly with the redesigned frame. BMW offers the bike in multiple ADV-specific color schemes like Ice Gray, Rally Edition Red/Blue, and a premium triple black ADV, with premium finishes and anodized details. You also get wide aluminum footpegs, hand guards, a tall adjustable windscreen, and ADV-specific wheels, wire-spoked and tubeless ready. Engine and power, Boxer reimagined. At the heart of the R1300 GS ADV is BMW's latest evolution of the legendary Boxer twin engine, now a 1,300 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled twin-cylinder, producing an impressive 145 horsepower and 149 Newton-meters of torque. These numbers make it the most powerful Boxer ever in a production BMW motorcycle. The engine is not only stronger, but also more compact and lighter, thanks to a redesigned crankcase and integrated gearbox. This motor delivers immediate torque across the rev range, whether you're powering out of tight off-road turns or overtaking effortlessly on the Autobahn. BMW has also tuned it for smoother low-speed handling, ideal for technical trails or urban traffic. The ShiftCam variable valve timing system returns, offering the flexibility of calm touring and aggressive sport performance in one engine. Suspension and handling, adaptive intelligence on any terrain. Suspension is where the 2025 R1300 GS ADV really shines. It features BMW's next-generation dynamic suspension adjustment, DSA, a semi-active electronic suspension system that constantly adapts damping in real time based on road conditions, speed, and rider input. Additionally, automatic load leveling now comes standard, optimizing geometry when riding solo or fully loaded with luggage and a passenger. The telelever and paralever suspension design is retained, but refined for even better feedback and agility. The result is a big ADV bike that feels surprisingly nimble, both on and off-road. Whether you're tackling rocky climbs or sweeping corners, the 1300 GS ADV maintains composure, grip, and confidence at every turn. Technology, smarter than ever before. BMW Motorrad is known for pushing the envelope with tech, and the 2025 R1300 GS ADV is no exception. The centerpiece is the new Full HD 10.25-inch TFT display with enhanced graphics, split-screen functions, and smartphone integration via BMW Connected Ride. Riders can access navigation, call functions, and ride data seamlessly. Rider aids include dynamic traction control, engine brake control, hill start assist pro, ride modes pro, and cornering ABS pro, all tailored for adventure conditions. There's also adaptive ride height, which automatically lowers the seat height at stops for easier control and raises it back while in motion. One of the most futuristic additions is radar-based cruise control, which adjusts speed based on traffic ahead, a first for the GS lineup. This feature adds a new level of comfort and safety on long-distance highways. Comfort and ergonomics, built to cross continents. Adventure riders demand long-range comfort, and BMW delivers. The seat is wide, flat, and designed for all-day riding comfort, with adjustable seat height options ranging from 850 mm to 890 mm. Heated grips and seat are standard on premium variants, and optional multi-stage seat cooling is available in some markets. The ergonomics are upright and commanding, with an adjustable windscreen that reduces fatigue during highway travel. The 30-liter fuel tank offers a range of over 600 kilometers, less weight, smarter tech, and uncompromising durability. Whether you're planning a cross-country ride, a desert crossing, or a simple mountain escape, this bike is ready for anything. If you're serious about adventure, real, raw, long-distance exploration, there is no machine better equipped to take you there than the R1300 GS ADV. Outro. Subscribe to MVP Auto Pro. Thanks for tuning in to MVP Auto Pro for this complete breakdown of the 2025 BMW R1300 GS Adventure. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest in motorcycle tech, reviews, and epic machine launches. Adventure never stops, and neither do we, right here at MVP Auto Pro. Ride far, ride free.